Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your language setting in Olymp Trade application using your mobile device. Switching to a comfortable language you want makes navigating the trading platform much easier and helps you understand settings, menus, and alerts. So in that case, first of all, open the Olymp Trade application on your device and log in. From the home page of Olymp Trade, go to the top left corner and tap on your human icon. Once you do that, you'll come across this page where you'll need to click the settings button at the bottom. After you open up the settings menu, scroll down and look for a language option and click on it. Click the continue button and it will take you to your device's settings page from where you can choose a different language of your preference. Under preferred language, select the language option and choose a different language for your system on your mobile device. And whichever language you choose will also be updated in your Olymp Trade application. After you select the language, your device's language will also change and it will also take effect in Olymp Trade app. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Olymp Trade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.